Okay, in this video, I'm going to go over this Ryobi style battery that I've got here. Now, if you're like me and you've got several Ryobi style tools, especially the ones that take the 18-volt battery, this is what I recommend for you, because you know what? If you have to go get these Ryobi batteries, it is very expensive. And let me just show you this 4 amp hour one that I have here. Oh, I like that little cover they added. So they have this cover. Look, that actually fits on that one and this one. I don't see any issues with using one of these at all, everybody. I've been using these off and on for a while, and they seem to hold power just as well. So this one right here is the P108 18 volt 4 amp hour 72 watt hours rechargeable lithium, and it fits all Ryobi tools. Look how it just locked into that Ryobi saw with no problem, and it locked into this drill with no problem. And it has the battery indicator on the front right there. So let's see, let's compare it to an actual Ryobi battery. So this is the 2 amp hour battery. Man, you can definitely hear there's a little bit of weakness in that one. So that one works perfect in there. Let me go ahead, let's try to use it on some wood over here. Let's take, oh, that's got some power. Let's take it over here and cut some wood with this thing, and let me show you how well this battery works. Okay, so I've got a little wood pile over here. Let's put the battery to the test. So let me put my foot on there. Oh, yeah, that's working great, everybody. Now this is a Sawzall, so I don't see it cutting all the way through this. See how it just cut through that like nothing. Yeah, that worked great. Okay, let's try to drive some screws with it. Oh, wow. This thing has a lot of torque. Yeah, well, reverse it. Yeah, I don't see any issues at all with this battery. I've tested it out, and I've already used it on several other items that I have use. I have a circular saw that I also use onto, and a weed eater, and it works perfect on that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the extended run 18 volt Ryobi ready battery. See you on the next video.